An object, which is allowed to fall freely under gravity, drops a distance which is proportional to the square of the time it has been falling. The distance equals 1/2 of the square of the time, multiplied by a specific gravitational constant. Near the surface of the Earth, the gravitational constant approximates 9.8 meters per second squared. Using the time intervals given by a video camera's 25 frames per second, the distance an object has fallen after 1 frame equals 0.8 centimeters, after 5 frames 19.6 centimeters, after 10 frames 78 centimeters, and so on. Ball games. Things you can do with gravity. You can do almost anything you can imagine.